Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to Maple Leaf Customs. I'm Andrew, wishing you all a very Merry Christmas from snowy Austria, where we're spending the holiday week at my wife's parents' home. It's -7 degrees Celsius here, and I love it. Today's video is a special Christmas giveaway. I'll be making a draw for the Hot Wheels Hot Bird from the Smokey and the Bandit movie. I usually take my finished customs to my local Goodwill store as free gifts for kids, but I'd like this car to be a Christmas present for one of my channel viewers. Thanks to each of you for another year of watching my videos and supporting me in the hobby. So let's get started. All you had to do was leave a comment in the video with the word quote, followed by your favorite quote from the movie. As you can see, I got a lot of response here, and I laughed at each and every one of these. You guys covered all of the most memorable quotes from this fantastic Burt Reynolds classic. I copy the URL from the YouTube video and I go over to the YouTube random comment picker. Here I enter the URL and I'm going to type in quote. This is the important filter word according to the instructions, and I select the comments. I've got about 39. Good luck to everybody. Congratulations to Going Diecast. You have 48 hours to contact me with your mailing address and I'll send this out to you as soon as I get back home. Don't forget the real meaning of Christmas, my friends. Emmanuel, God with us. I wish each of you a blessed day today filled with peace, hope, and love.